Today I'm going to show you how to generate this images for free.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Open your browser and search for stylar.ai. Click on Sign Up. I want to sign up with my Google account. You can use this most popular style templates, or click on New Project to make your custom style. Click on Create. You also can choose styles from here too. I want to choose realistic style. You can type prompt here. Click on this button. A few seconds later you will get amazing results. Let's make changes in prompt. If you want to save this image on your PC, select multiple images. Click on Place on Canvas. Click on Export. Choose File Type. If you want all images, check on Export All Layers, and click here. If you're interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my new channel. I'm sharing new tutorials and prompts daily.